welcome back to my channel. I am Makeup by Leslie Marie. That is my hashtag for my social media and everything. I'll link that down in the description box. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use inexpensive products. This is a drugstore kind of face routine. I didn't get a chance to add in the eye look that I did, but we'll get to that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please continue to watch it. Make sure you hit the like button, thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I am using the new primer. Oh no. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Oh no. My charm just got stuck inside the Eiffel Tower. Oh my God. That was scary. Okay, moving on to face. So for face, I'm gonna go with primer by Maybeline. It's the Master Prime. I haven't tried this yet. I've heard it's pretty good. So it's supposed to be like a blurring primer. So if you have like really big pores or anything, everybody can use a little blur. You know what I'm saying? The new Covergirl Healthy Elixir foundation. I have the shade Soft Sable. Just gonna put up a couple pumps here. We do 3 and just see what kind of. I'm gonna apply it with a brush first, and then I'm gonna go over it with a beauty blender. I'll do one side with a brush so y'all can see how to apply. Okay. Okay, little cover girl. I ain't mad at you. I mean, it's a wee bit light, but I could make it work. That's always a plus. Ooh, it's very perfumey. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it don't smell bad or anything. It's just, you can definitely smell perfume in it. So if you don't like that, don't fair ain't tell you. Okay, so I definitely like it better with the beauty blender. Beauty blender. But the coverage isn't bad. It's a foundation. All right, cover girl. Y'all coming up in the world. Y'all coming up. Y'all coming up. Okay, so that's all done. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Colourpop concealers. I'm actually gonna mix the two together. I'm gonna use a little bit of deep and then a little bit of tan to like highlight my face. I don't know though. Deep coming through for me. I might just use this. I really like this eye look, y'all. It's popping. It's definitely a summery eye look. I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender as well. Okay, I like it. We gotta use what we got. Now I'm not really gonna bake my face today because honestly it's just too hot and I just kinda don't care, so it's gonna be fine, like just fine. Y'all, that brow stylist really did a really good job on my eyebrows. I really like them. I might be using that for a minute. And it's cheaper. And everybody trying to save coins these days. You know what I'm saying? Kit by Radiance. I'm not gonna do a cream contour today because again, it's too hot. And this will do the job. Look at them cheekbones though. Contour our nose, chisel that up. A little bit more here. Okay. And I just like to go back over everything real quick with my beauty blender just to make sure it's all nice and, you know. So before I do blush, I always like to go in with my setting powder and set my face a little bit. This one is that Soft Focus Powder by Radiance. Just to make sure everything's nice and blended. I do a what's in my makeup kit video stuff. I love watching those videos. I'm obsessed with makeup, so of course I like them, but I just think they're really fun. Ooh, that's a bit pink, but okay, I'm feeling it. Whatever. And honestly, y'all, I hadn't even really been wearing blush like that lately. Like a little bit. I'm gonna come in with the orangey color that we use in our eyes. I'm just gonna bring that into the lash line just a little bit. Is anybody else, well, I know other people do it, hold your mouth funny when you're putting on stuff on your lower lash line? Like that's gonna help you do it any better? I don't know if it's out of habit or if I low-key be scared I'm gonna poke myself in the eye or what. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Yes! Call it a day. Not for real, we still gotta highlight. For highlighter, I'm gonna use a different one today. I know, I can't believe it. And I like this one, don't get me wrong, but y'all know how I feel about my Amarizia. Ooh, hold on though. Y'all, I've been sleeping on this highlighter. I forgot about it. It's bomb. It is bomb. Oh my, that is so freaking pretty. Yes, like, ooh. Yes. I just want to take a bath in this. Bling, bling. Highlighter makes me so happy, like no other thing in the world. I love highlighter. Then I'm just gonna go over all of that one more time real quick with my fluffy powder brush. We're ready for lips. So I'm gonna use the NYX suede lipstick. This is like a liquid lipstick and it's kind of nudie. Like that on my lip. And on top, I'm gonna go in with the gloss by Fenty, because I love her. And it's such a good everyday nudie glossy color, like just perfect. Okay, so that completes the look. Last and final step is set it all in and you are done. I drenched myself in setting spray like it's holy water, y'all. Like, y'all just don't understand. Like, I love setting spray. It smells so good. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the completed look. I try to use mainly drugstore products, but I will list everything I use in the description box. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I'm gonna continue to try to put up more videos. I'm sorry I kind of slacked for like a couple weeks, but I've been really busy. Thank you so much. Please comment. Okay guys, so that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you come back for another video. Bye.